It's Monday, Witblox makers. It's time for WMM, Witblox Mechanism Monday. WMM is a series where every Monday we teach you one new mechanism. Today, let's learn planetary gear mechanism. Planetary gear set is one of the most interesting innovations in engineering. It is also an awesome speed variation mechanism. It has 4 main parts: the sun gear, the planet gear, the ring gear, and the carrier. Did you know this mechanism got its name from the modeling of movement of planets in our solar system? Do you know the other name for this mechanism? And where are these planetary gears used? Comment down your answers with the hashtag Witblox Mechanism Monday. To build projects related to such amazing mechanisms, download the Witblox app from the Google Play Store.